Hello guys, good morning, Sunday morning, and I'm venturing out. So where am I headed and what am I up to today? Well, you'll find out in a moment, but for now please excuse me for this time, because I'm not wearing any riding gear. I'm just wearing my helmet, because yesterday was a very tiring shoot. Actually, I reviewed one of the most desired motorcycles. It's one of your most favorite motorcycles in its respective segment. So which motorcycle is that, you'll find out this week, because the video will be uploaded this week. So we tested it out thoroughly, on road, off road, and through the water puddles and everything. So almost had a bath with my riding gear on. So it's all under the wash mode currently, my jacket and gloves and everything. I just cleaned my helmet. So today I'm headed out to Benelli, and namaste. So here is Kali, and so I'm gonna meet the guys from the HBO or Hyderabad Benelli owners group. So they have some kind of an event planned. So let's just warm up the engine. So I'm headed there. So the ride is going to start in a moment, and then we'll be heading out to the place where we'll be having a whole lot of fun and some kind of action-packed activity that has been lined up or planned for the Benelli owners. So let's get started.
Got me feeling no way. Now I'm looking at you and I can feel the heat rise, trying to fill a hole in my heart just for the night. Don't mistake this feeling for love at first sight, no, 'cause I've been hurt and I ain't going back there anymore.
So here we have all the riders geared up and ready to go, and we have the bikes lined up as well. I'm feeling kind of odd because I'm the only one not wearing my riding jacket and gloves, but you guys know the reason why. And yeah, this is the starting point, DSK Benelli Hyderabad, and this is the Hyderabad Benelli owners group. And yes, we are headed to a Go Karting event, so that's kind of interesting. This is the first time I'll be driving on a Go Kart. So brother, how do you feel? Like, this is the first time you're going for a Go Karting event? You've been there?
Yeah.
You?
It's my first time.
It's your first time. It's my first time as well. Like, I've been for track days, but I've never been for Go Karting event. So let's see how the day unfolds. The weather seems to be perfect, right? Nice and breezy and overcast. So that's how it is. These are the scenes here at the starting point. Nice and breezy, very pleasant weather, perfectly refreshing ride after a very hectic shoot yesterday. So I'm looking forward to having a jolly good time. So let's see how the day unfolds.
I don't wanna fall in love.
As you guys can see, we've just arrived at Speedway Go Karting. So this is the address. The event is organized by Speed Elite, I guess. Yeah, we have all the details over here, and more details will be shared through the course of this video. We have the registration process. Can't wait to get going on this track. Wow, just look at the scenes here, guys. Like, this is going to be my first experience giving go-karting a try. Let's see the road. I mean, the track looks really very well made. Looks like it's brand new. We have all the bikes lined up, and wow, looking to have a jolly good time. So we have a gentleman over here, the proud owner of 302.
Yeah,
So how does it feel?
it feels great, and I've been experiencing for the first time before and all. I never used to have super bike and all. Now after owning that, people are looking at me as if I'm a special. Someone is riding something. And in this community where I belong to the area from Hapsiguda to Uppal and all, we have very less
Okay.
bikes like this, and it's feeling very good. I'm so happy to buy that thing. That's a great experience, I can say that.
Okay, how long has it been?
It's been just 2 months.
Okay, good. So the first time on go-karting track?
Yeah, this is the first time, so I'm just thrilled to get experience for this thing.
Me too. So this is Mr. Dev.
Hi everyone.
So this is Speed Elite, and he is the one who has come up with this concept and idea. He is a Benelli bike owner as well. So Dev, can you just quickly brief us about this initiative as to how this was
Sure.
born?
Okay guys, so we were having a Benelli ride. So then that time we thought of having some kind of a go-karting event.
Okay.
But as we can see, there are only couple of go-karting tracks in Hyderabad. So
Okay.
there's not much to do. So what we decided is let's just coordinate with one of the tracks and have an event wherein the bikers get to open up a little bit. They get to increase the brotherhood.
Okay.
They get to interact with their machines on the track as well as with the go-karts.
Okay.
Because there is not much of go-karting culture as of now in Hyderabad.
Okay.
So we had an initiative that we'll just have a track day out. Then later on it turned into something called as let's just have a go-karting event coupled with some other events, so that it becomes a little bit of fun for the participants and all.
More engaging,
It should be
and
more engaging. It should be a little bit filled with enthusiasm, and then there is like a very less awareness related to super bikes or biking culture in Hyderabad as of now. So we also tried to get in some visitors from the local area
Okay.
who would be getting to see the super bikes. They get to have some pictures on the super bikes. They get to meet the riders. They get to have an experience as to how the whole riding thing goes on.
Okay.
So this was the initiative that we had in mind.
So this is first of its kind? Is
This event is the first of its kind.
like, so you have some Facebook page where people can show
Yeah,
some
we
interest?
do have a Facebook page. I
Okay.
have a Facebook page of my business. The link to that is facebook.com/eliteauto.india.
Okay.
And you can just go there. You can check out all the things that I've posted.
So as of now, you say people who are interested can just enroll themselves, but later when the events are planned, maybe you guys can rope them in?
Yeah, later when we are planning the events, we would just contact you. You
Okay.
just drop in your contact number and details. We will get back to you. We will have a contact with you, and then we can get you into the event.
Okay. So thank you so much. So looking forward to having a very good time. This is going to be my first time, believe it or not, on a go-kart.
Lovely.
So I've been to track days, but go-karting experience is going to be
That's
first.
what the whole idea is about. Actually, there are riders. They
Yeah.
ride. They go for long rides like 2,000 kilometers and all. But there is like very less of them who have experience of go-karting.
True.
So
So
it is just an introduction to a new regime.
yeah, let's see.
Something odd.
I am looking forward to riding these machines. So thank you very much, Dev.
Thank you.
And so this is what lies ahead. So let's not waste any more time. I think it's time to hit the track and experience the go-karting culture for the first time.
It's cold outside, but I'm not worried for tonight. I shut my eyes and I'm alright. And if I fall, you'll catch me. They're waiting now for me to stand and make them proud. I know I'll make it through somehow when I have side, but I was looking for you. I'm always looking for you. I brushed it off, pushed it aside, but I couldn't help. I was looking for you. Yeah, I was looking for you. I am a hand surrounded. I am the silence in the room. Just a figure in the dark. As if coming for the storm. If I fail, you catch me. Push me back up on my feet. See the strength inside of me. I'm burning fire back to me. I am a hand surrounded. I am the silence in the room. Just a figure in the dark. This is the calm before the storm. If I fall, you catch me. Push me back up on my feet. Be the strength inside of me. A burning fire that you fade.
Yo, I ain't here for the money, I ain't here for the fame. Though it might be nice to own a jet plane, I'ma do it all for you. Come along and see it's true, but the road